Welcome to the Explainer. If you're in the enterprise software space, you know AI is literally everywhere right now. But how does a massive global organization actually weave it into their DNA? Well, today we're demystifying SAP's AI native North Star architecture to answer exactly that. Let's jump right in. We are looking at a $1 trillion shift here. Seriously, this is a monumental market pivot, kind of on par with the birth of the internet itself. We're not talking about some incremental software upgrade. This is a completely new paradigm in how businesses operate, how they make decisions, and honestly, how they stay competitive. So what's the difference between AI first and AI native? It's basically the contrast between just bolting AI onto existing tools versus designing enterprise systems from the ground up to actually reason, learn, and adapt. An AI first approach, that just gives you isolated helpers. Think of a standard chatbot sitting in the corner of your screen. But an AI native approach paves the way for the autonomous enterprise. It's literally the difference between having a basic digital assistant and having a digital colleague that deeply understands the complex semantic relationships of your business. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the AI native enterprise shift. Second, meet SAP Joule Studio. Third, Joule skills versus AI agents. Fourth, connecting to your data. And fifth, how to get started. Number 1, the AI native enterprise shift, moving toward the autonomous enterprise. Let's start with the big picture. SAP believes this shift will move enterprises from systems that merely execute to systems that reason, learn, and adapt. What that means for us is that future applications won't just follow static, hard-coded workflows anymore. Instead, they'll dynamically orchestrate solutions to complex problems. Rather than humans hard-coding every possible scenario into an ERP, the system actually uses your unique data, policies, and business context to figure out the best path forward entirely on its own. Moving on to number 2, meet SAP Joule Studio, the hub for AI citizen developers. So how do you actually build this stuff? Enter Joule Studio. It's a comprehensive, low-code environment nestled right inside SAP Build. It is deliberately designed to empower business users and technologists to become AI citizen developers, meaning you can create custom Joule skills and AI agents without needing a hardcore background in machine learning or pro-code frameworks. It's a total game changer. And the tangible impact here? Massive. Organizations are seeing a 35% reduction in the time it takes to build and deploy custom AI agents. You're effectively taking what used to be months of highly technical backend integration and shrinking it down to mere days or weeks of intuitive visual configuration. Even better, that translates into a 40% reduction in time spent by end users on frequent repetitive tasks. Just think about the efficiency gains when your procurement, sales, or HR teams aren't bogged down by routine data entry or clicking through complex menus. Instead, they're letting custom agents handle all that heavy lifting. Number 3, Joule skills versus AI agents understanding the tools. To get those time savings, you've got to know which tool to reach for. You have to separate simple, deterministic API execution from complex, generative AI reasoning. On one side, we have Joule skills. These are rule-based, API-driven, and automate predefined tasks. They are super efficient, and crucially, they cost 0 additional AI units to run. On the flip side, we have Joule agents. These are a massive step up. They're autonomous, they use multi-step reasoning to solve ambiguous problems, and because they leverage advanced large language models to actually think, they do consume AI units to operate. Agents are incredibly powerful. They plan, act, reflect, and collaborate, executing multi-step operations across your systems. They also use document grounding via RAG or retrieval augmented generation to evaluate data against your specific enterprise documents. But notice that last key feature, human-in-the-loop review and approval. SAP deliberately designs these agents so humans remain in complete control of the final decisions. Basically, the AI does the heavy research, but the human makes the final call. Let's move to number 4, connecting to your data, the practical blueprint. Let's see how this actually works under the hood. Imagine a sales specialist asking, what's the status of production order 12345, using natural language. Now, traditionally, finding that out meant logging in, remembering specific transaction codes like SE37, and manually hunting for data while a customer waited on hold. Not anymore. Now, it's just a simple, immediate conversation. You can securely expose a backend baby and link it directly to a conversational trigger in just 4 steps. First, establish RFC connectivity. Second, create a BAPI or RFC action project. Third, design your skills in Joule Studio. And fourth, deploy to WorkZone. Boom, you're done, and your users can start interacting with it. Security is absolutely crucial here. SAP maintains enterprise-grade security while democratizing data access. By utilizing SAP Cloud Connector and setting up principal propagation for single sign-on, your agent securely respects all existing back-end user authorizations. This means the AI only retrieves what the specific user asking the question is actually authorized to see. Zero technical loopholes, zero security compromises. Finally, number 5. How to get started, launching your AI native journey. To unlock all these capabilities today, you need 3 specific prerequisites in your environment: an SAP Build's developer license, specifically SKU 8019311, the Build default service plan, and a Joule base or higher license. Getting this set up right from the start avoids migration headaches later and gives you a smooth runway straight into Joule Studio. Now listen to this, because there's a massive limited time promotion happening. While custom Joule skills always run with zero additional orchestration costs, you can actually run custom Joule agents completely free of AI unit consumption through May 31, 2026. You just have to activate the promo in your control tower. It is a fantastic opportunity to test the waters of the autonomous enterprise totally risk-free. So, as we wrap up this explainer, I'll leave you with this question. Are your enterprise systems merely executing, or are they ready to reason? Take advantage of this trillion-dollar shift and start empowering your enterprise to truly think for itself. The tools are in your hands. Keep building, and I'll catch you in the next explainer.